Forensic reasoning dissects claims by separating fact from inference, tracing support chains, stating assumptions, and requiring failure tests with source tracking. This sheet explains the main science lenses and philosophers used in DBFEP. It gives the standard meaning of each one and the exact principle the protocol takes from it. The goal is to keep audits fair and repeatable. Every answer stays tied to text anchors. No motive reading occurs. Core science lenses. Forensic reasoning dissects claims by separating fact from inference, tracing support chains, stating assumptions, and requiring failure tests with source tracking. The protocol treats passages as testimony. It types sentences, chains evidence to assumptions and hinges, and documents what is shown versus what is asserted. Systems theory studies wholes where function emerges from part interactions, interfaces, feedback loops, and thresholds under constraints. For function claims, the protocol maps required parts, interfaces, control loops, and integration thresholds. Missing maps count as an overview, not a demonstration. Information theory quantifies signals over noisy channels using entropy, capacity, coding, error correction, and fidelity, without involving semantics or intent. The protocol treats information as a control state in a noisy channel. It requires storage, transmission, noise reduction, correction, and fidelity for regulatory claims. Capacity and constraint analysis tests whether something can perform a task by showing outputs under constraints, such as rates, errors, resources, and coordination. The protocol separates story from capacity. Level 5 sufficiency needs a pathway, intermediates, metrics, constraints, and disconfirmers. Severe testing holds that evidence is strong when a test could have exposed an error if the claim were false. Risk and failure criteria define severity. The protocol requires hinges for inferences, rewards risk, and penalizes immunity or closure without failure paths. Public policy and program evaluation use a logic model to scale interventions, specifying goals, outputs, metrics, constraints, and stop rules. The protocol treats mechanism claims as scaling programs.